Quideo 5, Advanced. Again, I'm just going to leave this up and you can pause it if you need to look at it. Okay. So, currently sitting on my freezer. Question A says, what are the null and alternative hypotheses associated with this question? So we're going to set up our ho that there's no association between seasons and births, and our ha is that there is an association between seasons and birth. So B, we're doing a compute the chi-squared statistic. So that means that's the type of test we're doing. So we're going to plug these values into our calculator, and our L1 is going to be our observed values, and our L2 is going to be our expected. It gives us our observed values in the problem, and expected, because there's 4 seasons, we're going to split up the 120 by 4. Once we plug these into the list, we're going to do the chi-squared test on our calculator and get an x-squared value of 1.9333 and a p-value of 0.5864. Our degrees of freedom is 3 because there's 4 seasons, minus 1, which answers part C. And then part D says, what do you conclude about the null hypothesis at alpha of 0.05? We fail to reject the ho because the p-value of 0.5864 is greater than the alpha of 0.05.